In this quick video, we'll show you a super easy way to apply blur to your images. While there are several ways to blur in Canva, this video focuses on the simplest and most effective method. You can use an image from your Uploads folder or find one by clicking the app's icon on the left-hand toolbar. Type Photo and click the photo icon to access Canva's photo library. You can also browse through the Elements tab, click on Photos, then See All, and search for a suitable image. If you prefer something custom, use Canva's AI image generator in the Elements tab to create your own. With your image in the design space, resize it as needed. Highlight the image and click the small plus sign to duplicate it. Then, with the duplicated image selected, click BG Remover in the Edit toolbar to remove the background. Next, open a second page and place the original unedited image there. Return to the first page and download the image with the background removed. Click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Make sure to deselect page 2, choose PNG, and check the box for transparent background. Once the download is complete, click the download icon at the top right of your screen, locate the image, and drag it into your Uploads folder. Make sure to open the Uploads folder beforehand to make dragging easier. Now go ahead and delete page 1. Highlight the background image and click Edit in the toolbar. A drop-down menu will appear on the left side of your screen. Scroll down to find FX Effects. You'll see Blur as the third option in. Click it to open the blur settings. You'll notice two options at the top: Brush and Whole Image. By default, the Brush tool is selected. Below that, you can toggle between Add Blur and Remove Blur. You'll also find sliders to adjust brush size and intensity, and at the bottom a Remove Blur button that resets the entire image. If you choose the Whole Image option, you'll only see the intensity slider. This allows you to apply a consistent blur across the entire image. When using the Brush tool, set the intensity first, then paint the blur onto specific areas. You can't change the intensity of a brush stroke after it's applied. To adjust it, you'll need to use the Remove Blur button, reset the intensity, and reapply the blur. Once you've blurred the background to your liking, bring in your foreground image from the Uploads folder, drag it into your design space, resize it, and position it directly over the original blurred foreground. When everything looks right, click Share and download your final design. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred the background or selected portions of your image using Canva's FX Effects. If you found this content helpful, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.